Yes, good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications. Today, we are going to learn a new concept addition in maths for class 1. Already, you know counting numbers from 1 to 100. In addition, we use forward counting. Let us know what is addition. You have 2 chocolates, and your father gave you 3 more chocolates. How many chocolates do you have now? Already you have 2 and your father gave you 3. So 2 plus 3. How many chocolates do you have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 chocolates with you now. So it is a process of putting 2 or more collections together and counting all objects. So addition is a process of putting 2 or more collections together and counting all objects. And plus is the symbol of addition. We read it as plus. It is written as like this, one vertical line crossed with a horizontal line and vertical line put together. That is symbol of addition plus. And the result we get after addition is called as sum. The result we get after addition. And this is a symbol or sign of equal to. Now, let us see an example. There are 3 balls in the first box and there are 4 balls in the second box. And how many are there in total? So, first box 3 plus 4 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the balls put together in one box is the sum of these 2 boxes. 3 plus 4 is 7. There are 7 balls in the third box. We read it as 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Just we are counting forward 1, 2, 3. After that 4, 5, 6, 7. So we use forward counting in addition. Yes, children, here are 2 sets of apples here. In the first set, count the number of apples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the second set, there are 2 apples 1, 2 is equal to total number of apples after combining the 2 collections together. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just forward counting. Add 2 more apples are added to the first group. So forward count forward 7 and 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. In the same way here, in the first set there are 4 ice cream cones 1, 2, 3, 4. And for that 3 more are added 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3. And after putting together both the collections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. In this way you need to know how to count 2 collections of objects put together. Yes, children, just like multiplication tables, we have addition tables also. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. If 0 is added to any number, we get the same number as sum. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. This is addition table of 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1, 11. If you add 1 to any number, we get just the next number or the after number. And in the same way, additional table of 2. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. For 2, you have to add 1 to 10 numbers. Take the number 2 and add 1 to 10 numbers one by one. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Take 2 and add 3. Count after 2. 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 2. Take 2 and add 4. 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. In this way you can write addition table from, I have written 1 and 2, you can practice 3, 4, 5, 6 until 10 like this. Just take a number and add 1 to 10 numbers to it and count forward. Yes children, let us go with the addition of numbers on the number line. How to add two numbers on the number line. Find the sum of 3 and 4 using number line. Number line is a line on which numbers are written in equal intervals. So 0 to 10 numbers are written on the number line here. Find the sum of 3 and 4. So first start from 3. First number is 3. Start from 3 and we have to add 4 to it. So move 4 steps forward from 3. One step, second step, third, fourth. We have moved 4 steps forward from 3 and the number where we have stopped will be the answer. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. This is the answer here. Now in the similar way, find the sum of 6 and 9. First what you should do, you have to start from 6. The first number is 6. So start from 6 and count or move 9 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number where we have stopped, that is the answer or the sum. 6 plus 9 equals 15. In this way you can add numbers on the number line very easily. Start from the first given number and the next number is the number of steps you have to move forward. 3 and 4. 3, start from 3, take 4 steps forward and the number where we have stopped will be the answer. Now let us learn addition of numbers on abacus. Abacus is a frame on which beads are given. Add 4 and 2, 4 and 3 on abacus. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total number of beads are now 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. In this way you can add numbers on the abacus. Once. See, there are 5 pink beads and 2 blue beads on this abacus. Now you have to count the total number of beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. In this way you can count forward and count the number of beads on the abacus. Now addition of two numbers by forward counting. What is the answer we get after addition is called sum. Find the sum of 6 and 5 by forward counting. Yes, children, this is a standard process of addition by forward counting. Find the sum of 6 and 5 by forward counting. Add 6 and 5. Sum is the answer we get after addition. Add 6 and 5. First take the number. The first number is 6 and take the first number and count 5 numbers after the first number. After 6, count 5 numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have counted 5 numbers after 6 and the last number where we have stopped is the sum or the answer. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 11 is the sum of 6 and 5. In the same way, find the sum of 5 and 4. 5, you remember 5 in mind and take 4 fingers, count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the sum of 5 and 4. 8 plus 3. Take 8 in your mind. The first number is 8. Add 3 to 8. So 3 numbers after 8 you have to count. 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 6. The first number is 7. You are going to add 6 to 8. So count 6 numbers after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is the sum of 7 and 6. 9 plus 1. Just take one finger after 9. The next number after 9 is 10. 8 plus 0. If 0 is added to any number, we get the same number. 0 means nothing. Nothing is added to 8. It remains the same. 0 plus 6. So, 6, nothing is added to 6. So, 6 remains as the sum. 0 plus 6 is 6. So, in this way, by counting forward, taking the first number in mind, you can count after the first number of number given. In this way, you can add 2 numbers easily. Yes, children, let us go with the addition of 3 one-digit numbers. There are 3 collections of single digit. Let us add them. Here, one box contains 3 triangles, 1, 2, 3. Plus, second box contains 2 triangles, 1, 2. And this box contains 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 triangles. And we have to add all these 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have combined all the triangles in each box and have drawn here. The collection is 9. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. The total number of triangles are 9. Here in the first set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. In the second set 1 is there. And in the third set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have to combine all the stars in the each set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 6 in the first two sets. And in the third set we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 stars are there in the three collections. Together we have 12 stars. In the same way we have to find sum of three one-digit numbers numerically with numbers, without pictures or without objects. We have to count forward. 3 plus 2 plus 8. No need. 3 plus 2 plus 8. 3 plus 2. Start counting after 3, 2 fingers, 4, 5. Now take 8 fingers and until here the answer is 5 plus 8. Add 8 to 5. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. In the same way, 6 plus 7 plus 4 equals. First count these two numbers. 6 plus 7. Take 7 fingers and count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The sum of these two numbers is 13 and add 4 to it. Now add 4 to 13. Take 4 fingers, count after 13. 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 is the sum. Five plus 4 plus 6. Take these two numbers, 5 plus 4. First number is 5. We are adding 4 to 5. Take 4 fingers, count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 6. For this sum, you have to add this 6. Take 6 fingers, count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The sum is 15. So in this way, you can count 3 one-digit numbers by counting forward. Now let us see counting of now 3 numbers on the number line. Add 4 plus 3 plus 5 on number line. The first number is 4. Start from 4. The next number is 3. Take 3 steps forward. 1, 2, 3. So that is 7. From this you have to take 5 more steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number where we have stopped, that will be the sum of 4 plus 3, 4 and 3 and 5. That is 12. So in this way you can add 3 numbers on the number line by counting the number of steps. Let us go with addition of tens now. Yes, children. Many exercises are given in the textbook, what I have taught now. Complete these exercises in the textbook from page number 85 to 93. You have many through WhatsApp. Thank you.